HELOC Loan Explained. What is a HELOC? Everything you need to know about home equity lines of credit with a wink and a smile. So you've been in your home for a few years, watched the value go up faster than your favorite stock, and now you're wondering, can I tap into that equity without selling and moving in with my in-laws? Enter stage left, the HELOC. Yes, folks, today we're diving into the wonderfully confusing world of the home equity line of credit, or as the cool kids call it, HELOC. And no, it's not a new yoga pose or a trendy healthy drink. It's a savvy financial tool that might just help you find that kitchen renovation, cover unexpected expenses, or even buy your dream vacation home. And you know I can help you with that. So what is a HELOC? Picture this. Your home is like a piggy bank you live in. Every mortgage payment you make, every market increase in value adds more coins to that bank. A HELOC lets you crack open that piggy bank just a little and borrow against the value you've built up in your home without refinancing or selling. Think of it like a credit card, but way less evil. So how does a HELOC work? A HELOC gives you a revolving line of credit, meaning you can borrow, repay, borrow again, kind of like your teenager's gas fund. Here's the usual flow. The draw period. This is usually the first 5 to 10 years. You can borrow as needed, within your limit, and you typically only have to pay interest on what you use. For example, you're approved for $100,000, but you only use $25,000 to install that swanky pool with a tiki bar. You only pay interest on the $25,000. Cheers to that! The repayment period. After the draw period, the repayment phase kicks in, usually 10 to 20 years. And you start paying back principal and interest. It's like going from Netflix trial mode to full subscription, except you're paying back the funds instead of binging crime documentaries. So how does interest work? Yes, the $1 million, or hopefully much less, question. HELOCs usually have variable interest rates, meaning they can change based on the market. The rate is often tied to the prime rate plus a lender's markup. Here's the twist. If interest rates go up, so does your payment. If they go down, whoop whoop, you save money. During the draw period, you might only make interest-only payments. But don't get too comfy. Eventually you'll be chipping away at the principal too. What can you use a HELOC for? So now we're getting to the fun part. Here are some of the greatest hits. Home renovations. Hello, new bathroom with a rainforest shower. College tuition, because your kid's degree in interpretive dance isn't going to pay for itself. Debt consolidation. Replace high-interest credit cards with lower HELOC rates. Yes, please. Vacation home purchase. You dream it, I help you find it. At MargaretSellsDreamHomes.com. Starting a business. You, boss mode, unlocked. Unexpected expenses. Life throws curveballs, and a HELOC is your financial glove. What are the requirements? You do have to qualify, of course. Here's what lenders generally look for. Good credit score. Typically 620 plus, but 700 plus gets you the golden ticket, aka best rates. Home equity. Lenders often let you borrow up to 85% of your home's appraised value, minus your remaining mortgage. Stable income. You gotta show them you can handle that paycheck like a boss. Low debt to income ratio. Keep your finances lean and mean. So HELOC pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros. Lower interest rates than credit cards. Only pay interest on what you use. Reuse the credit over time. Flexible spending. Cons. Variable interest rates. Hello, unpredictability. Risk of losing your home if you default. Tempting to overspend. Put down the jet ski. Thinking about a HELOC? Let's talk strategy. Whether you're eyeing a vacation home near Cocoa Beach or just want to knock down that avocado green kitchen from 1972, I'm your go-to gal. Need some help finding your dream home or vacation oasis? You can click here at MargaretSellsDreamHomes.com. Want a virtual walkthrough? Or to binge my YouTube videos for some home tips, tours, and a few giggles? Tune in here at Dream Home, Space Coast, Florida. Have questions about using a HELOC to buy your next slice of paradise? Call or text me at 321-480-7662. And I promise not to bore you with banker talk, unless you're into that sort of thing. So, what's the takeaway? A HELOC is a secret financial weapon in your homeowner toolbox. When used wisely, it can help you level up your life, your home, or even your retirement plans. But, just like any power tool, read the instructions, know the risks, and don't saw off your own financial foot. And when you're ready to turn that HELOC into a dream home upgrade or a new home altogether, you know who to call. Let's make those real estate dreams real. Margaret Klein signing off, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful hints. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.